December 18, not far off Christmas, which is super exciting because we've been working real hard trying to get everything sorted before Christmas so we can have a 3-week holiday. Much needed holiday. It's been a pretty rough year. Rough home life, I should say. Work's been awesome. Yeah, a bit of a follow-up on my other video, if you guys watch my other videos. People have been a bit worried about me, but surviving. My wife decided that, yeah, the marriage is over. Doesn't want to pursue it anymore, even though we've put all the hard work in and, yeah, tried to build a good foundation. So, yeah, she's off pursuing her own desires now, and it's pretty sad, but yeah, it happens all too often to people, and yeah, it's happened to me. So yeah, just cracking along. Got my hope elsewhere, so leaning into that, and that's getting me through. Got lots of good friends around, and yeah, people supporting me, even clients and stuff coming in, being super supportive. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, keen for a holiday though. Got Mal's wagon to take away because Mad 42 is looking a little bit too illegal and there's too many yellow stickers being handed out. So kitting that up, got some 35s to put on it and some new rims. Got to make a bed frame again and hook the camper up and go spend some time with family all over WA and go camping. Should be good. Looking forward to it. Yeah, pretty keen to get this wagon running mint. Just been mucking around with it, spending as little as possible on it. But yeah, getting right into it now. Gonna bin the standard intercooler. It's already got a good turbo on it that we had made last year. So we'll yeah, make a big race cooler like the Workute has next week, so that'll be able to be tuned and running sweet. Should be fun. Looking forward to it. Might even sell Mad 42. If you want to buy it, hit me up. And then I'll build something else. I was talking to a guy at Bunnings this morning. He was in an N70 Hilux and recognised the Patrol. And he was asking, do we work on anything else? Because he'd seen the YouTube video of me mucking around with the Workute and moon shooting it. And I said, yeah, we work on lots of other things. We just own Patrols, so that's all I really post. I'm not going to go thrash other people's cars around and make videos of it. Yeah, we do a lot of cruises. We haven't got many cars in the car park because we've tried to get rid of them all for Christmas. But there's a Hilux out there getting an intercooler that'll be done next week. But yeah, we do D-Maxes, BT50s, anything. Yeah, we actually prefer working on Toyotas than Nissans. It's just easier to deal with their parts guys and yeah, better cars to work on. Don't know why, just prefer them. So I'll give you the tour. Haven't filmed too many videos in the old workshop here. I wasn't sure if I should keep it all separate from YouTube because I do lots of stupid stuff on there. And also worried about how disorganised we are in here. I was hoping to get it all Mickey Mouse and like baller before I posted any videos, but I was going to a few other big workshops that are, you know, pretty famous, and seeing how disorganised they are, this is like way more organised, so I don't feel so bad anymore. So yeah, should see some more videos going on in here. Sort of things we do. This is a TD conversion from ZD30. It's retaining the auto. It's getting all the fruit on it. The guy's saving up for a new turbo, so we're just going to make the HD18 work for now and go from there. It's a TI factory turbo motor. We've got a client's ZD30 ute that we're doing a bit of work to. Fresh injectors and stuff, and tuned with a G250. Should make 250 horsepower, pretty mild. There's the old turbo pulled off it yesterday, so that's going for exchange. What else we got in here? We've got Brian from PDI's personal vehicle here. We're making him an exhaust to go on his new turbo. He's got a VNT on his 1HD FTE. They're not normally VNT, and it's something that G-Turbo are working on with him. We've also got Gulag in here. Sivan brought that in for us to do some repairs to. Got a few cruisers in the car park. It's pretty busy today. Got Andrew's patrol having transmission problems after a conversion. The auto trans didn't like it, so that's all going to be back together next week. We've got a TD conversion going on, auto, yeah, all the fruit. Need to mount our compressor upstairs and run airlines. This is a whiteboard I made. GQ bonnet that I got another work experience kid to sand back, and then I painted after work. Had a fair few 75s come in. We've got 2 in the yard with 12 HTs that we need to finish conversions on and fit PDI coolers to and stuff like that. Hanging to get some jobs done so we can get our own cars in here and start doing work to them. So the work unit's just dying to have more power. And Braden's bought a ZD30 to put in his GQ Shorty. It's under here, so he's going to be taking his silver top TD out and selling it. It's mint condition if anyone wants to buy it. He's also camera shy.
Just a little bit.
Gonna break him.
Yeah, we'll get there one day.
Yeah. He actually loves to talk, so yeah, he'll be good. So it's Monday morning and Braden drove his new 3-litre Patrol in today. It's pretty impressive. Just about to take it for a drive myself and see how it goes. This sounds totally different now. It's way quieter. It's faster. I want to build one. It's going to be even better when we wind some more power into it. We put A-tune in it, but yeah, it's still got the factory turbo, so it's got a lot more in it. So exciting. Good work, Braden. 24-hour conversion. Slowly getting our mezzanine organised. Need some more shelving up here. Got spare radiators, got intercooler stash. We've got VDJ 70 series airboxes and snorkel install kits. They're all for Patrol Doctor. That's the Patrol Doctor snorkel off my work kit that got crashed. That's how I started off dealing their stuff. I did a lot of research to find the best airbox snorkel setup I could find. I actually didn't want to run a snorkel, I just wanted a big airbox, but yeah, I couldn't pass up a deal for an airbox that size, that flowed that well, that also came with a snorkel, so I bought that a few years ago, loved it. Also bought one of these for my GQ, and it fitted perfectly and was good quality, flowed nicely as well. So then, yeah, ended up getting a few more in for clients and started getting bulk loads of them. Did a deal with Patrol Doctor, liked their product, thought I could sell that. They're good value. So yeah, now we just buy heaps of them. Sell them to people all around WA. We also sell their rear bars and also their bull bars. So I'll be putting them on Mad 42 as well, if I don't sell it. Still need to stock these shelves nicely. We're just keeping all our spares up here that come in handy for different vehicles. We've got fuel rails there for 1KDs, fuel rails for ZD30s. We've got random turbos and just stuff that comes in handy for clients that have damaged components and don't want to buy new. Yeah, so we'll have a shelf for each car pretty much. VDJ cruisers, Patrols, ZD30 to TD, Hiluxes, yeah, the usual sort of stuff. So this is the 250 horsepower GU that we did, factory turbo motor, G-turbo bad boy on it. What else has it got? It's got my cross-country cooler off the work that got crashed and scoop. What else has it got? It's got a Dirk water pump. Yeah, I think that's it. We made this power pipe for it. 4-inch. Braden made that. Anyway, not sucking enough air through this filter. The standard air box. Don't know if you can see this, but it's 3.5 inch. But if you look down there, it's half the size as it goes through that bend. That's why these Patrol Doctor ones are the goods. So I haven't actually tested one on a 250 horsepower Patrol yet, but yeah, just did it then, and it works just as good as a pod filter, if not better. It definitely makes the turbo operation way quieter, which is ideal. Still watching? Wicked. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Stay safe, enjoy time with family, and yeah, subscribe and let us know if you want to see some more videos in the workshop. Happy to make some more. Keen to ramp things up next year. Yeah, keep watching. Cheers.